Hello friends, today's topic is the need of the hour change in Indian government educational system. Education is the basic right of every individual in India and nobody should be deprived of quality education. Education in real sense is the social, physical, mental and spiritual growth of a human being. Education is a means through which an individual can see the light in the darkness. If the education can show us the light, instead force us towards the darkness, then it is not the real education and it does not have any sense in being educated. In our India, especially in rural areas or villages, the education given to our children is not up to the mark. It is not a quality education. A child can't study English alphabet in first standard also. Like states like Odisha, a child has to wait to learn English alphabets in standard 3. Generally, government has made basic education free of cost in India. That does not mean it is at the cost of a quality education. In rural areas in India, a child can get better education than its counterparts in urban areas. I don't understand why these types of discriminations in rural and urban areas. And uniformity should be maintained in educational structure and curriculum in both rural and urban areas. Then only we can create better talent and skills. For example, in an English medium school, they have their music teacher, they have their dance teacher, they have their art teacher, but in government schools, this type of regular posts or teachers are not there. Our government is so incapable of being created this type of posts in government schools? Why a child being deprived from getting a quality education? Is not it a basic right for him or him? If government allocates budget for education annually, then it should think about creating these regular posts in government schools. Our education system needs to such type where a child must know and understand its the practicability or practical aspect of his study. The basics of professional courses like space, astrophysics, etc. should be included in our school's curriculum. Lastly, the monitoring system should be strong in both rural and urban areas in India, because in this case our education system is very much less disciplined. If our government does not give emphasis to the above matters in educational system, then it will create a huge problem in creating right talent and right skills. Because the age between 6 to 16 is very crucial to build a child's future. So it is the time to think about our educational system. Thank you.